feeling like a ball. We're going to start by bringing our feet together and bringing our bottom forward towards our heels. Now you have options. You can hold at your knees, your shins or your ankles, or even behind your thighs if this is too tight of a ball or closeness to your thighs. I'm going to hold on my shins. From here, I'm lifting tall off the crown of my head, and I'm on top of my sits bones as much as I can be, but I'm going to come off my sits bones to get into that C shape of my spine. So I'm going to rotate my pelvis. Notice how my chest came away from my thighs, elbows wide. And I'm going to lift my heels and draw my feet towards my bottom. Heels towards bottom. I'm not going to pull my knees in more. I'm going to leave that little bit of space between my thigh and my chest. And I'm just going to gaze towards the floor. Keep drawing my belly in and up, so much so I start to roll back. Then I'm going to exhale to come up. Inhale to roll back. Exhale up. Ideally, you want to keep your hover, but if your feet come down, that's okay. Let's pull those feet in, elbows wide, pull the belly away, and come up and hold. Feet come down, and you're back at your start